Now we're at Playa Norte. This is supposed to be the most beautiful beach in Isla Mujeres. And this beach is great for swimming. And the waters are very, very calm here. A little bit calmer today than it is on the Centro side. And a lot of the catamarans, they come in, or in boats, they come in and they park here, let people off to swim, and even take them back to Cancun, since this is a popular day trip spot. Now, if you're wondering about seaweed in seaweed season, there is a little bit, but here you don't see any when you're swimming. Just bits and pieces floating here and there. But every now and then you see some piles of seaweed here, but it's really not bad at all. This is very great for this area. So after checking out Playa Norte, the water is very calm and pretty, but honestly I think Playa Centro is a better beach just because more is open on Playa Centro right now, and on Playa Norte I'm seeing little spots of seaweed. It's really not bad because there's plenty of spots without seaweed, but you can see behind me there's a little bit of seaweed here. And behind me there's a beachside restaurant, but it looks like it's closing because there's not a lot of people there today. But all the restaurants in Playa Centro near the ferry and in downtown is completely packed. So on the upside you can come on this side, have it a little bit more quiet, it won't be so busy. So it just depends on what you want. But as far as what's prettier as of right now until things open up fully, I do think that Playa Centro is the place to be. That's my 2 cents about that. Hopefully that helps you make a decision on how you want to spend your time in Isla. But I think that you should visit both of them because you might have a different feeling than I do.